And now something that you've all been waiting for tonight, really special guests, Shahid Kapoor and Genelia D'Souza. Thank you both very much for joining us. There's something that both of you have in common, right?
Yes, we do, yes.
Which is what?
Which is Chance Pe Dance.
Chance Pe Dance, a new movie, which is going to be a super hit. 100%, right?
I hope so.
I wish we could say it as confidently as you are.
No, but more than that, you've had, you really don't come from any sort of well-known Bollywood family that's been around a long time. It's given you a leg up, neither of you. You've really had to do it yourself, right?
Yeah, I mean, my father was an actor, is an actor, obviously. But yeah, he has...
But it's not like from a family.
It wasn't like there were 5 producers sitting on a sofa and when I said, I think you should make my son's first film.
Right,
yeah, it wasn't that at all.
And they're all fighting for it.
Yeah. No, but yes, so it's been a journey, but I'm really happy that it happened the way that it did because I think I've learned a lot. And
you are now actually India's absolute superstar. You've got awards.
All the girls go like, chai.
Well, I must say I was a bit embarrassed by our newsroom and the way they behaved. I do apologize for that. But it's natural. But it's good to be there.
Very, very, very good to be where I am. Very happy to be here. It feels very, very special and yeah, very, very happy.
Yeah. And I must say that you're one up on him actually. You've had a hit in 4 different languages.
Yeah, I have. I come from 4 different languages actually. I mean, before I came back to Bollywood, I think I fell in love with the industry working down south and thankfully things worked, and in the same year I had done like 4 films in 4 different languages.
And all hits in which of the languages?
Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Hindi.
Not bad, I must say. And then
what is that? This is one line which she keeps saying. Which is that one?
Hasini.
Which language is this now?
That is Telugu. I'm known like
for that line?
Yeah, for that. My name is Hasini in one of the film. Hasini.
What does it mean?
I have no clue.
No, my name is Hasini.
You haven't tried Telugu. You haven't tried Telugu or Tamil yet.
No, I haven't had any offers. I'm dying to do that.
You liar! You did it in our film.
What?
The Lungi Dance.
Yeah. But tell us about this, the screen and the Apsara Awards. It's suddenly all happening at the same time. You had Kamine, which I saw, which was outstanding. And I saw Jab We Met before that. So you've
seen the right ones.
Right. No, you were outstanding in both of them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I guess what's happened for me at least is I've been really fortunate wherever I have tried something different and something challenging and something which actually everybody was telling me not to do, but I had this gut feeling about it. It's always worked for me, and I think that's a really great space to be in as an actor, because I think you're not limiting yourself to one area. I'm doing different things and people are liking that, so there's no fear of being accepted only in one space, and I'm really happy that it's working out like that for me.
Right. But tell me, I always ask this to Bollywood superstars, like when you do a movie, do you know whether it's going to be a hit before, like you see the edit, you see the rushes, do you say this is it, or you just have no clue till it actually comes on air?
It's different for different films. I think there are times where you're seeing your own film and saying, I messed up, dude, I'm not going to do this again. That happens sometimes.
And then that might be a hit, by the way.
I mean, I would say fortunately for me that's never happened. Whenever I didn't like a film of mine, it's not really done well. And I'm happy about that, because otherwise
then you can
totally throw you off. Right. Then there are times when you've seen a film and you feel like you don't know. You feel like it's good, but I'm not sure.
Right.
And then there's a few occasions on which I've been very confident.
4 languages. So obviously you've traveled, you're born and brought up in different parts of India. You were born in Bandra, you studied in Bandra, you live in Bandra, you work in Bandra. And then you do 4 languages.